Alright, first of all, to understand our project, we need to explain you the concept electromagnetism and Faraday's law.
Electromagnetism is a branch of physics that studies the relationship between electricity and magnetism. Basically, it's the study of electromagnetic fields.
Faraday was a British scientist who developed the Faraday's law. The Faraday law established that the electromagnetic force is equal to minus number of turns equals to the change in currents over change in time. Voltage is the energy contained inside of the hole, and current is the energy that flows through the circuit. If there's no circuit, there is no current. We made sure that the magnet is placed perpendicular to the coil, because if it's not, the current will not flow. We use the right-hand rule to establish the direction in which the energy travels.
For our project, we are going to use Faraday's law to find the electromagnetic field. We are going to use a voltmeter and a frequency meter to find the current and the voltage. We have the number of spins and we're going to use his law to find it.
The materials we will need for this model are a frequency meter, a voltage meter, a wheel, magnets in the wheel, string to spin the wheel, coil, and a magnet.
Box and a stick. Okay, well, the model will be a box. We're going to put a plate with the stick with 4 magnets. Then we're going to put the coil beside, and the plate will rotate, creating an electromagnetic field, which is going to be calculated with Faraday's law.
This is our first model. Well, this was our first model. And we changed it to our second model because this was like unuseful. Why unuseful? Because it did work with the voltage, because the device we count on to measure it actually detects some voltage, but the frequency was too low for it to measure. So what we did was to increase the number of magnets so it could reach a higher frequency, and so our device could detect frequency, because with less magnets it couldn't detect any frequency.
The model we are making is actually very simple. There will be a base of wood that will have fasteners to hold a bar of steel that will be rotating thanks to a crank.
The second model works similar to the first one. The difference is that there are now two lines of magnets. But there is a little difference. One of the lines has greater magnets. That means that the voltage that this line will produce will be bigger, but the frequency will be the same as the first model because there are 4 magnets. And the second line, there are 10 magnets, but they are smaller. So the voltage will be also smaller, but the frequency will be bigger. This works in a way that the electromagnetic field will be made too.
Around the magnets there will be 2 structures, where 4 coils will be placed for each set of magnets. On top, there will be 2 light bulbs to demonstrate that energy is being produced. Also, there will be an opening to calculate the frequency and the current.
Espera. Me se olvidó.
This model is better because it makes a frequency that our transmitter can actually calculate. This new dynamic consists in that the audience will decide whether if the line with bigger magnets will produce more electricity or the line with small magnets.